Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to add bio on your Clubhouse account. So let's start. First, open the Clubhouse app. Clubhouse is an audio-only social media platform where you can create a room and start chatting with your friends. You can also create an event or even a conference here. Now let me show you how you can add a bio to your Clubhouse account. First, go to your profile by tapping on your profile icon on top right corner. Now tap on Add a Bio. Now I'll just quickly update my bio. When you are done, tap Done. And that's how you can add a bio to your Clubhouse account. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.